Hello dear friends, welcome to a lecture on the topic of the cylinder. In this lecture we shall solve some problems to find equation of cylinder. In our earlier lecture we have defined cylinder and also we have obtained cylinder equation of cylinder in general form. We shall use the same procedure here to solve these problems. I have written first problem here and we shall see its solution. The problem is find the equation to the cylinder whose generators are parallel to this line and its guiding curve is x square plus y square is equal to 16 comma z is equal to 0, which is we know a circle in xy plane. Now we shall start the solution. What is the procedure that we shall use to obtain equation of cylinder is we shall consider any point, say alpha, beta, gamma on the cylinder, given cylinder. Let alpha, beta, gamma is any point on the cylinder, that is the required cylinder. Further, what is given is the generators of the cylinder are parallel to this line, and this suggests that, or this gives that the generators have direction ratios 1, 2, 3 and a generator will pass through this point also. So therefore it is given the generators are parallel to this line means the generators are parallel to given line. Therefore, the direction ratios of generator are of the generators there are infinitely many generators, but each generator have the direction ratio 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3. So that means say this is a line, given line, and all the generators of this cone, it is a circle in xy plane. The generators may be considered like this, and all these generators are parallel to this line, and we are considering a point, general point on the cylinder, maybe here or on any surface, any point on the surface cylinder as alpha, beta, gamma. So this is a point we have considered alpha, beta, gamma. What we shall do is we shall obtain a condition for this point to lie on the cylinder, and that means an equation in terms of alpha, beta, gamma we shall obtain, and then we shall find the write the locus of that point by replacing this point by general point, that is x, y, z. That is the procedure. So first we shall write equations of generator passing through this point alpha, beta, gamma. Therefore the equations or equations of the generators through alpha, beta, gamma are, and we know it is in symmetric form, it passes through this generator we have considered, and it is not fixed on any this is any point. So any generator can be selected and any point on the generator, but its equation will be x minus alpha divided by the DRS of generator are 1, 2, 3 we have written here, is divided by 1 is equal to y minus beta divided by 2 is equal to z minus gamma divided by 3. So this is a generator passing through this point, and this generator will intersect this guiding curve, and first we shall use this condition. This generator intersects the plane z is equal to 0 at a point, and we shall obtain the coordinates of that point. this generator will intersect the plane z is equal to 0 at the point, single point, at the point where we have z is equal to 0, where this equation gives x minus alpha divided by 1 is equal to y minus beta divided by 2 is equal to z is 0, 0 minus gamma divided by 3. And this implies that is at the point, that is at the point, and we get the coordinates of this point of intersection of this generator with this plane z is equal to 0 by putting z is equal to 0 and solving this relation. So we equate first ratio to last, and that gives x minus alpha is equal to minus gamma by 3, and that gives x is equal to alpha minus gamma by 3, alpha minus gamma divided by 3. And similarly, to get y, we shall equate the second and third ratio, and that gives this first, we shall transfer this 2 on that side. It is y minus beta is equal to minus 2 gamma divided by 3, and then we shall transfer beta on that side. It will be plus beta, beta minus 2 gamma divided by 3. And what about z? Z is fixed, that is z is equal to 0. So the generator will intersect the plane, and or we may suppose this as equation, these as equations 1 and this as equations 2. So the generator will intersect, this generator will intersect z is equal to 0 in this point. Now, but this point also lie on this curve, that is x square plus y square is equal to 16. Because it is a guiding curve, and therefore this point lies on the given curve, or which is guiding curve. And therefore this coordinates of this point must satisfy this equation. Now this is obvious, z is 0, that is we have used the condition already. Now what we shall do is, we shall use the condition that this point lies on this curve, and therefore put x as alpha minus gamma by 3, and therefore we have alpha minus gamma divided by 3 square, x square, plus y is beta minus 2 gamma divided by 3 whole square is equal to 16. And we shall simplify this. To simplify this, it is 3 alpha minus gamma divided by 3 whole square, or it is 3 alpha minus gamma whole square divided by 9, and this is also 3 beta minus 2 gamma divided by 3 its whole square, or we can separate the square at numerator and denominator, and we shall get the denominator as 9, 3 square is 9, and to avoid this fraction we multiply both sides or throw out both sides of this equation by 9. So multiplying by 9 we get both sides of this equation by 9. Multiplying both sides we get, and that is 3 alpha minus gamma whole square plus this 9 at denominator will be eliminated after multiplication by 9, and similarly this term is 3 beta minus 2 gamma whole square, and we have to multiply by 9 on the right side. So this gives 144. Check it. And now actually this is the condition for the point alpha beta gamma to lie on the cylinder. So this is the condition that the point or that a point alpha, beta, gamma lie on the cylinder, and that means all those points which has coordinates alpha, beta, gamma must satisfy this equation, and this gives the locus of a point alpha, beta, gamma, and to get the locus we replace alpha, beta, gamma by general coordinates x, y, z. Therefore, the locus of alpha, beta, gamma is locus of alpha, beta, gamma, and that is by replacing it by x, y, z. So this is for our reference. The locus of alpha, beta, gamma is, and what is that locus? See, it will be 3. We replace alpha by x, beta by y, and gamma by z. So the equation will be 3x minus z whole square plus 3y minus 2z whole square is equal to 144. And simplify, we will simplify this. See, the square expansion is 9x square, and this is 9x square minus 2 into 3x z, or that is minus 6xz, and plus z square. This is 9y square minus 12yz plus 4z square, and is equal to 144. So that is actually, we shall write the square term first, 9x square, then this is 9y square plus 9y square, and that you may verify this, and this is z square, and this is 4z square, that is 5z square, and then the term of xz which is minus 6xz, and the term of yz, that is minus 12yz. So we have collected all the terms, and now the right side is 144, and that is to be transferred on the left, and this is equal to 0. So this is equation of the cylinder. This is the, you should check this simplification of the terms. This is the required equation of the cylinder. So in this way we can obtain equation of cylinder using the given conditions. Now I shall give you some problems for practice. I have written here 2 problems for you to solve. See, the first problem, find the equation of cylinder whose generator is parallel to this equation of lines. That these are the 2 equations of a line in asymmetric form, that is these 2 represent and one line, and which intersect the conic. This is the guiding curve. Now from these 2 equations we can write the equation of line in symmetric form. Now how to write equation of line in symmetric form? See, y is equal to mx and z is equal to nx. This gives the expression for x. So this is x is equal to y upon m. So equations of generator are, see, the generators are parallel to the generators. This is hint for solving the problem. The generators are parallel to line. See, x value is y upon m, and that is x is equal to y upon m. And what about x value here? It is equal to z upon m. And this is equation of line in symmetrical form. It gives the direction ratios of the line are 1, m and n, and then proceed further as the problem we have solved earlier, and then the answer will be b square, etc. This is the answer I have written here. So check the answer. And the second one is find equation of the cylinder whose generators are parallel to this line and whose guiding curve is this ellipse. See, it is straightforward. The generators have direction ratios 1, minus 2 and 3, and the guiding curve is given this one. So write equation of generator taking point as alpha, beta, gamma, and having DRS as 1, minus 2, 3, etc. And the answer of this second problem is this one. Please solve these problems yourself and verify the answer. Thank you for watching the lecture.